welcome back to my channel. I'm coming to you from Munich, Germany. I'm on my first trip of the summer and I picked up a little big something while I was in Frankfurt, so I thought I would unbox it with you today. I'm also going to give you an update on how the shopping is going here in Europe. First, by the way, if you're new here, hi, my name is Morgan. I make videos about luxury handbags, fashion, and lifestyle, so if that's your thing, please subscribe and turn on notifications. I upload once a week and I would love to have you here. And let's get into my Europe shopping experience and my unboxing of a couple of Saint Laurent items. We started our trip in Zurich and then went to Frankfurt, and now we're in Munich. It's a bank holiday today in Munich. That's why I'm filming, because nothing is open. So tomorrow we are going shopping in Munich, so maybe it'll be a little different what I have to tell you in the next video. So far in Zurich and Frankfurt, I've been trying to go to Hermes and Chanel, and I have some big updates for you. Hermes does not have much stock in either of those stores. I asked for multiple items before I asked for any bags, and then when I asked for a bag, I wasn't straight away asking for like a Kelly, but I was saying like, oh, do you have maybe a Picotin, or I'm looking for a release, and they said we have no bags at all in both cities. So I haven't had any luck there. I went to Chanel in both cities as well, and honestly, I'm giving up. I'm not gonna waste my time at Chanel anymore. I have 2 more cities on my trip after Munich, and here and those other cities, I'm not even gonna bother. Zurich, she opened up the case and there were no bags inside. Like, not even from the back, but like, you know, the cases on the sales floor, there were no bags. And the same thing in Frankfurt, when the SA opened the case, there were maybe less than 10 seasonal bags there and very few bags on the shelves even to look at. So they said until the next collection comes, they're really just down for stock. I asked for some shoes as well. Nothing I liked was in my size. I did try on this pair. I'll pop a little picture up, and they are so painful, so I left them. Numb the sadness of, you know, not really getting anything from Hermes or Chanel, I walked across the street to Saint Laurent because they had 2 of the bags that I wanted to try on in the window, and I ended up getting something a little bit surprising. So let's get into this. I'm sure you can all guess what it is. I'm gonna have to stand up to get it out. This is the biggest box I've ever gotten. Oh my God. Okay, so there is the box. I'm gonna have to get rid of this bag. And then we have one more little box as well. So let's start with the little box. I did try on the, I think it's called like the Le 5, like the little shoulder bag in the fuchsia color. The color was stunning. I almost took it home, but I was kind of afraid of the leather because it's such a taut, pulled, smooth leather that I felt like it would scratch easily. So that brings me to my first item. I picked up this little fuchsia pouch. This is in a grained leather, which I felt a lot more comfortable with. I'll insert the prices and the tax back prices up on the screen just so I don't have to do the math while I'm unboxing. Plus, I think we're losing light pretty soon, so I want to try to get through this quickly. But this is a little pouch. It has a front pocket and a zip pocket. So this is like a great travel wallet pouch. You can even just take it inside of your tote, and when you want to like pop out for lunch, you can have your essentials in here. So I'm not a huge SLG person, but I really loved the fuchsia color and I wanted to get a little something fuchsia, so this is my little something fuchsia. Now on to the bag. I'm sure you can guess exactly what this bag is because there aren't many options that are this big at Saint Laurent. The packaging, and yes, we went for the tote of the season. This big, huge, oversized Saint Laurent tote. I'll put the name on the screen. And this is something, let me just get rid of some of this packaging. This is something you may not expect for my collection, and that's because I typically go for colors, but something about me is that when I'm traveling, I typically do like black tote bags because they just don't show as much wear. So this was something that I could see as a travel bag, as an everyday bag. You can throw your laptop in it. And yes, it is lambskin and very smooth, but I really felt the style of this tote is gonna be one that really looks better with wear, with a little bit of scratching. It also has this kind of aged gold look to the hardware. So this is gonna be one that as it wears in and you get creases and scratches, it's going to look even better. When a bag is like that, I'm a little less afraid of the lambskin, whereas like for Chanel, I want my Chanel bag to look like new all the time. So lambskin is something that I really, really baby. This is a bag I do not intend to baby at all. And I'm just gonna like use it and love it and see how it wears over time. Now let's get some of this packaging out so I can show you the inside. It comes with nearly another bag in itself. So you have this pouch which can clip on and off. So you can also put your essentials in this. This is gonna make a great makeup bag. And this little toggle here, you can put in the other side, and it changes the shape of the bag. It has a big open hole in the middle and just a zipper pocket in the back. This is a pretty simple bag in that way, but I felt the versatility of it really made sense. Like, I know the Chanel trash bag, whatever, the 22, is very popular, but something that made me go for this over something like that is the wide leather handles that are very comfortable on the shoulder, whereas that has those thin chain straps, so when you fill it full of stuff, it's gonna like dig into your shoulder. Plus, I liked it this was small quilting and not like big huge quilting in proportion with the bag, so it really still made it feel very classic and like the regular type of quilting that you would even see on a Chanel bag. Also really liked that you got another piece with it. Now, here's the thing with Saint Laurent. This is exactly why I was swayed to buy this piece on my trip. The price for Saint Laurent in Europe is so much better than Dubai and the US. When I posted the stories of this, a follower messaged me and she's like, I think I know what you got. And then she was saying, asking me the price, and she said that the US price was $4,400 plus tax for this bag. The price that this bag was in Europe, I'll put up on the screen, and I'll also put up what I'm going to get in tax back so you can see the final price comparison to the US price. It was a big difference for this bag. I saved over $1,000 buying this bag in Europe, and to be honest, $4,400 plus tax is not a price I'm willing to pay for a bag like this. Certain aspects that I look for when I'm gonna spend that much, and for a tote style bag, that's not a style I'm willing to spend in that over $4,000 price bracket. I probably honestly wouldn't have bought this bag if I was only able to get it in Dubai or the US, because the price just wouldn't be worth it to me. But because the price was so good and you had the added bonus and the versatility of this bag, and keeping in mind that black is a color that I really like for my utility travel type bags, I thought that this was just perfect, and it's so iconic, and this will be like one of those pieces that I can have in my collection forever, and hopefully if I have a daughter one day, I could give it to her. It's like one of those really hot pieces right now, but one that I think will stand the test of time. But I think in terms of wearing it with my outfit, it'll go in and out of style as a large handbag for like a daily look. I'll get use out of it as a laptop bag or a travel bag. In that way, I thought the versatility of this bag was enough that it was worth the price that it was. So I will keep you updated on the wear and tear of this bag, so make sure you're subscribed if you want to see an update on this, maybe 6 months down the line. So let me know in the comments if that's something that you're interested in for this bag. And I'm sorry uploads are a little bit sporadic. I had pre-filmed everything for my trip, and then I forgot my hard drives, so I haven't been able to upload. I don't usually like to do unboxings back to back. That's not what I want my channel to be about. I like it to have a mix of styling and tips. Just so I could deliver you guys some content, I went ahead and did the unboxing of this, and also so I can get rid of this massive box. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of the bag in the comments below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok to see how I style my bags and how my travel is going, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.